Now, before you even think of trading, there's one big decision that you have to make. This is a very important decision in your trading journey, and that is which broker are you going to use. Without a broker, you cannot be trading at all. Right. So, I have one broker here that I choose. It's the broker that I've been with for more than 2 years. And I must say I absolutely love this broker, and I've never had a problem with this broker. But that is the first big decision that you're going to have to make. Now, the reason why I choose this broker is I know my money is safe there because this is one of the biggest brokers in the world. They also give you a 100% deposit bonus. They do not decrease your leverage during news events, which I've seen with other brokers that I've had this issue. They do not do that at all. And XM has been operating for more than 13 years already in this industry, and they've been in South Africa for about 4 years with their physical presence. So I choose XM, and when I say I choose XM, I really do choose XM. They are the best broker for me out there. I know my money is safe. I know my clients' money is safe. Withdrawals are very, very fast. I sometimes do not even wait more than 10 minutes for withdrawal, and the money is in my bank account. However, when I do a very big withdrawal, I'm speaking 6-7 figures, then I will wait a day or two at the most, but not longer than that. So I choose XM, but obviously you are going to choose the broker that you want. I can recommend this one to you guys, but that is the first decision that you have to make for your trading journey to start.